Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. Now for everyone who is active on Paws and collecting points, it is important that you complete tasks because they have said it that task will be a huge determinant to your airdrop allocation. Now this early easy Paws web access for anyone who has not completed this task. If you're having issues on how to complete this particular task for 5,000 Paws, let me show you a quick video, and it is going to be ending in about 19 hours period, less than 24 hours from now. In order for you to complete this, it is quite easy to complete. However, a lot of persons are having issues. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. All right, now in order to complete it, just click on start and then you choose a default browser in order for you to open in a browser. Please, if your Paws does not, if your Telegram does not direct you to open directly in a browser, this is what you need to do. All right, go to the settings of your browser, of your Telegram. Sorry, just go to the settings of your Telegram. From settings section, then you click on chat settings. You see chat settings, click on chat settings and then look for what am I looking for now? In-app browser. You see this in-app browser. Now open external links within the app. You need to deactivate this so that any link you click will be redirected to open in your either Chrome browser, not inside Telegram. Now always make sure that the links, the Paws link is being redirected to your Chrome browser so that you can easily complete that particular task. Okay, so always come here and turn this off. Let it be off. Then I will return to Paws. Okay, I will return to Paws and then click on start. Then I will select my Chrome browser because I want it to open with Chrome always. I'll click on Chrome. Okay, then you can see that it opens up in Chrome. Now once this opens up in Chrome, it will log in and verify me. Now this is my Paws account and it is logged in my Chrome browser. Okay, I have connected my Phantom wallet and my Tom wallet. If you have not done that, click on each of them and connect your wallet accordingly. Okay, I believe that you must have done that by now. The next thing you need to do is to add to home screen. What this add to home screen is that once you add this to home screen, your Paws will be available on your home screen like this. You see this way that all the applications are available on your home screen. Once you do that, your Paws will be available on your home screen, and from here you can easily open your Paws and log in directly. Now let me show you how to do that. Right now, from your Chrome browser, click this icon at the top right corner here. Once you click on that, then you scroll down and click on add to home screen. You can see add to home screen here. You need to click on that, add to home screen, and then it will create a shortcut. A shortcut will be created on your phone's home screen. So I'll click on add. Once that is done, once I come to the home screen here, you can see my Paws here. You can see Paws here. Once I click on this, it will take me directly into my Paws account on my browser. So if I click on it, my Paws account will load and open up in the browser. This is exactly what they want you to do. Okay, so once you have done this, always once you finish adding it to your home screen, minimize and make sure you click it and log in directly from your Paws here. Make sure you directly log in from your Paws. Once you have done that, then go back to Telegram. Okay, return back to Telegram and reload this page. Reload the Paws bot. Just reload the bot once. Once you have finished reloading, come to the task section and you'll be able to claim. You can see the claim button is now active. Then I'll click on claim. Now that is claimed successfully. I have completed this. Remember, they said that how many tasks you completed will also contribute to how many Paws you will get after TGE. So please ensure that you complete as much task as possible. Come to partners and complete all of this. This start mining here FOMO hash is something that you can do if you want to do that in-game. From in-game, add Paws emoji and boost Paws channels. You can only do this if you have what is it now? Telegram Premium. All right, you can only complete this if you have Telegram Premium. If you don't have it, don't worry. Just let those ones slide. But always check the limited and the partners to see if you can complete, if there's any task for you to complete. All right. Remember, as you are looking forward to the TGE and the listing of Paws, which might happen this month or probably next month. Probably this month. We are looking forward to that happening this month. Try to get as much Paws as possible. All right. Now, for quick updates, please subscribe to my Telegram channel for updates, because not every update can be posted using video. All right, so some updates you just need to post it directly. You can find all of that in my Telegram channel, and the link is in the description of this video. Click on it and join the Telegram channel where we post constant updates. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video for others, and until next time, bye for now.